Hey, Sneaky Lyrics back today again, and now we've got Zeven OS Neptune. It's based on xubuntu, so it's got XFCE, but it's got the look and feel of Beos. Now, I've done Zeven OS a while ago, but this is the newer version, the Neptune Lighter, apparently. So we'll run through it with you. Bottom bar, MAU, internet, photo management, music manager, media player, burning, word processor, spreadsheet, notes I think that was, menu, and we'll go back, open up the old browser I think. Chromium is your browser, not of choice, obviously you can get whatever browser you want, but hey. So we've got Zeven OS 2, it's an upgrade notice for that, but the one we're using is Zeven OS Neptune 1.8. And it doesn't actually use hardly any resources. It actually uses less than Xubuntu. That's good. I've got in code over there. We'll come to that later and some other stuff. But hey, back to the menu. We'll have a little look around here, shall we? System. Loads of stuff in there. All XFCE. Don't worry about it. Got a Synaptic, I think. We'll do a bit of downloading while we're here. So what we really want to do, because there's no Flash installed. So if you want to watch videos or any YouTube stuff or any players or anything off the net, you are going to have to put Flash on the thingy, aren't you, really? So I'll just reloading Synaptic, otherwise I won't know what to look for. Will I be missing packages? This is installed on hard disk, by the way. So now we'll open up Synaptic. Now what we want to look for is Flash. Now I did look for the restricted extras. Maybe I thought they might keep them from Xubuntu, but they're not there. So you have to do it the old-fashioned way. So I've typed in Flash, and there's the Flash plugin installer, non-free, okie dokie. So what we're going to do, we're going to click that. I think pick the box over there on the corner. Mark for installation. Then we're going to apply. If you use any debian-based system, you know exactly what I'm doing. You think, oh, this is boring, but hey, I've got to go for it because some of you may not know. Click apply. Downloads the installer. It doesn't download Flash itself, okay? Just the installer. Now this is where it could take some time. Now when I've done this before, a long while ago, sometimes it'll be really quick, and sometimes it can take years. Okay, so we're just going to wait a minute to see if it's going to be quick or not. It's okay. Move the box up there. Oh my God, it's Slow City. Oh yes, Slow City. Right, it's downloading Flash, right? But can you see how fast it is? Let's see what speed I'm getting. Okay, it's getting it in there. It's getting it in. I'm getting 3.8. Okay, it's going to take 17 minutes to download. What a bummer. Actually be quicker on dial-up, wouldn't it? Yeah, much quicker. So what we're going to do, while that's downloading, we'll open up a workspace and have a look round for you again. So what are we going to do down here? Okay, we'd set your MAU in it, didn't I? Okay, your music manager is Rhythmbox. Hey, Rhythmbox here. Oh, by the way, it's 10.04 it's based on, not 9.10. Just because I've got mixed up there, but I didn't tell you, did I? Okay. M player for your media player. It's alright, isn't it? Not too bad. Okay. Burning is Brasero. Open it up. There's Brasero. If you've used Brasero before, you know exactly what it does, and it's very good at it. Although I like K3B personally, but Brasero's good too. I'm not going to knock. Right, spreadsheets and word processor. Now I was going to think Numeric and Abbey Word going to be here, but no, it's the full Open Office suite we have in here, which makes the download bigger than it could have done, really. You could have just put 2 in and made the download smaller. Would have been very good. Spreadsheets, again, Open Office. All works, though. All works. That's the main thing, isn't it? It all works. So, notes. Now, here we come with the problems now. There, ready? So I've opened up my sticky notes. You know, I don't like these at the best of times, do I? I thought we'll drag it up here, and I'll do myself a little note. So, what's that? What's up? Hang on a minute. I tapped the space bar and run program starts. Look at that. That's weird. This is not the first time this has happened on this distro by tapping the space bar that's come up. So yeah, that's not a good one, is it? Really? And it's still running up in there in the top, so I'm going to get rid of that. We'll click on quit, and we're also going to get rid of the music player because I'm not using it, so there's no need to be there, has it? Really? No, it hasn't. No. Okay, Maggie. Or should we go to Maggie 2? I'll tell you what, we're going to go to Maggie 2. Basically, all it is tells you all the stuff that you've already seen that's in the menu, really, but just a different way of doing it. Not too much different there, is it? So if you click on Internet, there's all your Internet apps, like Skype, IRC. If you click on Multimedia, music, photos, burn applications, watch and record TV and not fade away. Genie there for a text editor. There you go, look, all there. It's okay. Tells you all about it. There's my little dual core Pentium running there. Nice and slow. Photo management. What's it look like? Let's open it and find out. DT thumb. That's alright then. It works, isn't it? It's only a viewer though. I'd get something else. Oh, blimey, look, wrong button. Cancel that. Up to the other end, up to the other end. We'll get rid of him. Menu on the end is exactly what it says, a little menu. So there's not much in there. Apps, home, disk manager, etc. Applications. I did like this bit actually. This is one of the better features. When you open the file manager for applications, it's all in there. It's rather nice, I thought. And there's lots and lots of stuff that is in there. Oh, mail, by the way, is clause mail. Now, if you're going to have Open Office as for your office, why have clause mail? I don't get it, but I don't get a lot of things sometimes, so don't worry about it. Sakura is there, very good. Python, you go down, all your XFCE stuff's all over there. Look, Xane's in there, etc., 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 and etc. Oh, your drivers for NVIDIA and ATI. GTK recording my desktop is here, otherwise you wouldn't be watching, would you? Hey, no, you wouldn't. Okay, let's see how our download's getting on. Very slowly. Go back to our window. Now, we could be here all day, couldn't we? Yes, we could be waiting for that. So, you know, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop the video and restart it once that's finished. Just like so, like that. So eventually I got it to download. So I thought, well, now let's see if it all works, the old flashy. So I have a browser, Chromium again, as I said before. Takes to the home page, said that before as well, didn't I? So we'll clear the bar, select all, get rid of it. And we're going to type in the Bubbaker just to test the iPlayer more than anything else, because that uses the old flashy, doesn't it? Go to the iPlayer, it isn't there, or it's not working correctly, or it isn't installed correctly, because I can't watch Kidulthood, which is a very good movie, if some of you haven't seen it, which you wouldn't have done if you're not in the UK, actually. It was on telly the other night. Anyway, we'll go back to the menu, as we're coming near the end of the video now. There's plenty in there. We'll open up Synaptic again. Excuse me. And it did that. It just went. What happened there then? See, did I press the space bar again by mistake? A little bug in there somewhere. A little buggy. Little buggy needs sorting out, I think. Does need sorting out. Now, on the whole, it's really nice to use. It is quicker than Xubuntu. Not by much. And it comes with apps more that you're going to use, like look at my desktop and OpenShot as standard. Although OpenShot is standard in Xubuntu, don't it, as far as I remember? Yes, it is. 10.04 I've got to think of now, haven't I? Yes. Oh, encode is what I meant to show you before. I've not seen this before, although I've seen it in repos before. I thought I'd open it this time. Now, basically, you can select any input or output for any MP3, any movie, and you can change anything you really want to here, as you can see, right up to 720 for videos, which ain't too bad, is it? And your aspect ratio, you can go right up to widescreen, so that's cool. The only bit I didn't like was is the bit rate only goes up to 3000. Now, when I'm encoding in this sort of thing, I normally use about 6,000 to 7,000, so that'd be no good for me, really. Audio bit rates go up a bit higher, but hey, not too bad. Not too bad. It's there, though, to use. This is what you've got to think of. It's there to use. And if you don't like it, don't use it, as they say. Right. What else can I show you? Well, there's not much more to show you, really, and we're getting near the end of the vidvo. I think about another minute to go, I think, and then I'll have to call it a day. Just before, OpenOffice is all there. All your configuration stuff's all there, look, all there. If you like the look of Beos, or used to like the look of Beos, or whatever, you'll rather like this, except when you press the space bar, because you ain't going to like that, because it's going to go donk. Oh, we've got the first configuration wizard here. I missed that one before, didn't I? It walks you through everything. Welcome, your windows, you can do, look, and your desktop. It tells you all about it. There's plenty of detailed stuff here to tell you all about the system, which ain't too bad, so you can configure everything. There you go, look, volume, printer, date and time, user, etc. Nice. Now, on the whole, I rather like it. It's really nice. But it's just that little niggle for the space bar and the net thing, but that's my fault. Anyway, that's enough from me. This is Zeven OS Neptune. I'm Sneaky Linux. I'm going back to school again. Sneaky Linux out. See you later.